Ali here at MindWaveMeditation.com, and I want to share with you something profoundly amazing which is going to transform your life in the simplest of ways with no effort at all. Who doesn't want a bit of no effort to transform their life? So keep watching this video while this duck sorts itself out, and we'll dive straight into it. So if you don't already have your copy of MindWave Earth, an immune boosting meditation experience 7.83 Hz, don't worry, you can click that link and grab your copy now, and also help the homeless just by doing maybe 1 or 2 clicks. That's a great way to start your day for one, or end your day if you're getting to bed. So it's a nice chance to just feel gratitude for what you do have, the roof over your head, your family, your friends, technology to share and learn information, and also a fantastic way to easily transform your life with no effort at all. So how does that look? Well, it's a 3-parter. Number 1 is that it's a meditation experience. So if you've never meditated before, this can be a simple introduction, and you just listen to the sounds and you tune out and you just tap in. And you can do that for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or an hour and a half. So it's up to you how long you want to commit to giving yourself some time, just to give yourself some time. So number 2, it's a breathing exercise. This is a tool to help you regulate your breath. If you suffer anxiety, stress, overwhelm, panic attacks, or even depression, this is a great tool to help you connect to yourself, your breath, deepen your breath calmly, slowly, more consistently. And what happens is there's a wave of a breath cycle on this audio that goes like this, and all you do is just follow along. So you don't have to do anything, you just tune into this breath cycle. And the further you get into this audio, the deeper the breath cycle goes. So it starts like, further along, well, it's just a longer version of that. So this is a vital tool to help you deepen your breath and connect to yourself on a deeper level, and really start to train yourself to breathe better. So breathing consciously, deeply and intentionally is your way out of anxiety, feeling overwhelmed and overstressed. It's a real simple thing you just need to do, is connect to this breath and learn how to deepen that breath. The third thing is the added bonus of the Schumann resonance, which is a whole thing in itself, which we won't get into now, but the soothing tones of this frequency of 7.83 Hz are very much related to the natural frequencies of the Earth's atmosphere, or a small part of it anyway. So when you listen to it, you instantly feel a sense of kind of connection or oneness, or if you don't want to think of it in that sense, it just feels nice. So you've got a meditation exercise, a breathing exercise, and a healing frequency all combined together in a nice audio that you can just tune into. Alright, let's dive in. This audio is great for working, sleeping, walking, studying, having a bath, yoga, exercising, lots of other things. And the way it works is that it cuts out the surrounding noise, so you can just focus on one thing. And on another level, when you add the breathing part, which I'll show you in a second, is that you really tune to your breath. So if you're working out, you connect to each rep. If you're doing yoga, you connect to your breath and you allow yourself to let go even more, and you can stay in this state of focused intention on one thing, which is always just the breath. This is always the part that's going to bring you back to the now. Okay, let's dive right in. I'm going to do some talking, you do some relaxing, and together let's start building our immune system. Welcome to MindWave Meditation, the Be Your Own Guru series. Track 1, Earth. This audio is designed to help you reconnect with yourself. It's ideal to listen to when walking, reading, or just relaxing in general. Follow the breathing patterns along with the music. Breathe in and out deeply. Exhale all the air out of your lungs. A chime will sound as the breathing patterns change. Let's begin. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, keep breathing. You keep going along with the breath and just keep relaxing your shoulders, your eyes, your jaw, your face, your back, your chest, and really relax into this breath. Keep breathing. Deep into your lungs. Deep into your body. Deep into those cells. This constant breath cycle is going to replenish those cells. It's going to invigorate the body. So this audio is great for working, sleeping, walking, yoga, meditation, working out. And the way it works is whatever you're doing, just add this breath cycle to what you're doing. And that in turn will help you focus on one thing, whether it is writing an email, wanting to connect your breath deeper in yoga, or really connecting to that kind of repetition when you're working out, you know? So it'd be like, instead of just mindlessly going through your exercise, this is a chance for you to really, really tune into yourself. And when you do so, you are ultimately connecting to the now, the present moment. And with every breath, every conscious breath you do, you are propelling yourself into the present moment. So whether you use this as a meditation, a sleeping device, or a way to tune into your repetitions when working out, you are bringing a deeper level to your experience of life. And when you practice implementing this sort of deeper level, or let's say connecting to this deeper level, you experience a whole different experience of life itself. And this is where the transformation starts. You're not adding anything, you're just connecting to what is already there, which is your breath. And you're building a deeper relationship with this breath. And it's through that relationship that it starts to become an unconscious breath cycle to a conscious breath cycle. And the breath is the only function in the body that we do both consciously and unconsciously. So this is a really fascinating thing when you think about it. We don't think about our breath, but if we do, it opens a whole new world. And the more you practice this, the more this happens. So I just want to invite you to really delve deep into this audio if you already have it. Really practice it every day. It is a practice, or it could just be an audio you listen to in the background. But if you use it, it will absolutely transform your life. It was designed that way, and lots of people are using it and having great experiences and telling me other ways they're using it. I do a morning neck yoga, so it kind of looks something like this. I'm doing this, I'm doing this, and doing all these things, this whole routine. And I've been doing that for a few years now. And then I added the breath cycle, and the whole thing just transformed. Other people are telling me they've been working and been listening, and it's tuned out all the sort of local noise which distracts them. So when are you not carving time out for yourself? That's the question. We're all so busy, everybody's busy. The only problem with that is there's so many people out there that do amazing things, run multiple companies and have families and do this, that and the other, but they still carve out time for themselves. So no matter what you do, what you're into, apply this audio and use it and start breathing deeply, and then let me know with the comments down below how it's benefited you and what you're using it for. So your comments really do help. They help inspire people, they help educate people, and it helps you give back to keep this channel going. So it's just an all-round win-win-win-win-win. So if you haven't already, grab your copy and let me know how it goes, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. If you don't already have your copy, again, don't worry. Worrying is a form of praying for what you don't want. So let's think about what you do want, and that is a deeper connection to yourself. Everybody wants a deeper connection to yourself. Whether you're an atheist or a born-again Christian, it does not matter. No matter what religion or philosophy, breath is the one thing we can all agree is the first thing we experience and the last thing we experience. So why not use this time to really build a relationship with this inherent gift that we have within us, and start to use it to our advantage, so we can consciously start to tune into ourselves and our surroundings and realize that there's a whole lot more going on when we tap out of all the commentary and the mental noise and the fog and the past and the future. There's a whole lot more going on, and that's our natural state of being. That's something we don't need to intellectualize or dissect or even question too much. It's just what is. It's here, it's right now, and it's within us. And you can access the power of this state of being by tuning into your breath and using this tool right here in the link. So enjoy that journey, enjoy your experience, and let me know how's it going. Comment below, share this video with anyone that you think might enjoy it, and subscribe as well, that really helps. So I'll see you soon. Check out mindwavemeditation.com, lots of free stuff on there, lots of other things and more videos in the playlist below. Take care, speak to you soon, big love.